Monkey stand at river. Monkey have pocket full of green leaf. Monkey point at big banana on other side. Banana seller shake head. Green leaf no good here. Here we use red leaf. Monkey have money. Money just wrong color. What is exchange rate? Today, two country fight for whole video. Green leaf land versus red leaf land. Green leaf land use green leaf. Red leaf land use red leaf. Both leaf. Both money. But you cannot spend green leaf in red country, so monkey need to trade leaf for leaf first. How many red leaf for one green leaf? That number is exchange rate. That is it. That is the whole thing. Now we spend 6 minutes fighting about it. Say one green leaf trade for two red leaf. Green leaf strong. Green leaf flex. One green leaf buy twice the banana in red leaf land. Green monkey go on vacation. Green monkey feel rich. Green monkey buy big treehouse, tiny cost. Now flip it. Red monkey come to green leaf land with red leaf. Red monkey trade two red leaf, get one green leaf. Red monkey feel poor. Same banana, double the leaf. In this fight, strong leaf win, weak leaf lose. But strong is not always good. Keep watching. Green leaf gets stronger. Smart monkey say green leaf appreciate. Appreciate mean go up. When green leaf get weaker, smart monkey say green leaf depreciate. Depreciate mean go down. Do not thank the leaf. That different appreciate. Say, yesterday, one green leaf buy two red leaf. Today, one green leaf buy three red leaf. Green leaf appreciate. Green monkey happy. Red leaf depreciate at same time. Red monkey sad. Two leaf always fight. When one go up, other go down. Nobody win alone. So strong leaf always better, right? Wrong. Listen to monkey. When green leaf too strong, red leaf land stop buying green banana. Too expensive. Green banana farmer sit on giant pile of banana. Nobody import. Green farmer cry into banana. Meanwhile, weak red leaf make red banana super cheap for everyone. Whole world buy red banana. Red farmer rich now. Plot twist. The strong one losing. You could say the tables have gone bananas. No. Monkey take that back. So now the fight get interesting. Strong leaf good for one monkey, bad for other. If monkey travel, strong leaf win. Cheap vacation, cheap banana abroad. If monkey sell banana to world, weak leaf win. Export cheap, world buy plenty. This is why some monkey countries secretly like weak leaf. Weak leaf sell more banana. Green leaf land export monkey want weak green leaf. Green leaf land tourist monkey want strong green leaf. Same country, same leaf. Two monkey argue at dinner table. Life complicated. So what make leaf go up and down? Supply and demand of leaf itself. If everybody want green leaf get rare, green leaf get strong. If green leaf government print too many green leaf everywhere, leaf common, leaf get weak. Same as banana. More thing, less valuable. Interest also move leaf. If Greenleaf Land Bank pay big interest, foreign monkey rush to park leaf there, demand for green leaf go up, green leaf strong. Scared monkey also matter. When world scary, monkey run to the safe leaf. Safe leaf gets strong just from fear. This really happened with real monkey money. Long ago, British monkeys promised to keep their leaf glued to a fixed number. Big money monkey named Soros look and say, this leaf too strong for its own good. He bet giant pile of leaf that it must fall. He was right. In one day, the British leaf snap and drop. Monkey call it Black Wednesday. One monkey made 1 billion leaf betting the strong leaf could not stay strong. Even mighty leaf can fall on a Wednesday. So what monkey do with this? Before you travel, check the exchange rate. Do not trade leaf at the airport. Airport give worst rate. Airport rob monkey politely. If green leaf strong, good time to visit red country. If green leaf weak, good time to sell banana abroad. And never keep all your nuts in one leaf. This is not financial advice. Monkey draw with crayon. Please do not sue monkey. Monkey only own bananas and a slightly damp cardboard box. Thank you for watching Primate Portfolio. You made it to the end, so green leaf, red leaf, you now smarter than most monkey at the airport. Hit subscribe so monkey can keep drawing money badly. And tell monkey in the comments what you want explained next. Monkey read all of them, eventually, between bananas.